Kembali Pibara Assassin 4 Bat kumju ya ki viwas ki bajupet ya kene channel Malakapor Sakapor. Di hakane ke video kubamta ngan pentip syapi ya ki kubor lekam Sipai belapan mi daka BSF Border Security Force Recruitment Arajar Rapsau Jongki Post Constable di kelapan mi hado ars pa anyusan teliki post di yakini ki post kande ya ki balapan dep ya ka kelas trend sajrong Paprio panaplay yakini ki post desa page yakini ke video hado banakot nang bapen sautu kampanya hakabaiday bat kini ki post demen tangan pule katkum ka notice balapan mi BSF Spot Quota Recruitment 2024 The Border Security Force BSF invite application for the post constable general duty post under BSF Spot Quota Recruitment RJR Apsau. The last date for submission of the application is 30/12/2024. Jika Border Security Force ka lakot online application nakamtaki post constable general duty post kibadai nakamta di spot person recruitment arajar arpsau teka tarik bakadu bakin pedang yaki application kandai hadu kalai pau tarik disebar arajar arpsau jika kertang jongki post kadai constable general duty number of post hadu ars banyak pesan teliki post batna kamta kisenrang pat hadu sispa apnyo teliki post bat jongki kentai hadu sispa sapra teliki post kibon baki post kibalak nang taka age limit lane kasnem kadai khatra hadu arpalaisnem akashi tarik Januari arajar apsan over age relaxation extra as per role BSF GD Constable Spot Quota Recruitment 2024 rules tena kamentaki SC/ST candidate ka over age limit lane ka age relaxation hadu sansnem kamut hadu art prasnem bapio ban apply nang taka salary lane ka jingseu kadai level 3 arpu ejan yuspa hadu untuk kendai haja sispa at pidang yo ru sakiwai ki allowance nang taka essential qualification candidate must have passed the 10th class or equivalent video pendep ya ka matrik lane kelas 10 sajrong bapio ban apply ya gini post bat ka hat nakamta jongki me khalia kadai sispa san punyo CM yaki senrang bat sispa sa punyo ponsan CM yaki kentai bat ka chess nakamta ki senrang kadai new punreu CM dia lada pikwa bantip kambene hak badai bat kini post te pila ban download dan ban page bha ya hijung kam bat pila ban like na ka website jong ka BSF nang ba pinyo ban pule kambene ya kini ki post nomor kidon hala kijong ki post ki balat jong ki post archery athletes badminton swimming diving water polo basketball boxing cycling cross country equestrian football gymnastic handball hockey ice skiing judo karate volleyball weight lifting water sport, wrestling, shooting, taekwondo, wushu, bat, fencing. Hadu ars pa anyup santeliki post baro kibalaj badlapi ala kijong ki event. Kente lakajong cendrang lakajong. Nang takimak nakabanta ki competition kiba yo gold, silver, bat, bronze. Panikong Olympics game summer, winter. His pamak gold medal, kenai pendumak silver, kenai parmak bronze medal, mark for participation, rapumak World Championship, World Cup, kenai pemak gold medal, rapendumak silver, rapu armak bronze medal, new pumak for participation, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games, rapumak gold medal, new punreu silver medal, new pu armak bronze medal. Pumak participation Asian Championship Cup Commonwealth Championship 70 mark gold medal 20 mark silver 20 bronze medal San Phumak for participation. Youth Olympics Game. Ndu Phumak gold medal, San Phumak silver, San Phuar bronze medal, Sau Phumak participation. Youth Junior Championship and Youth Junior Commonwealth Championship. San Phumak gold medal, Sau Phumak silver, Sau Phuar bronze medal, Lai Phumak for participation. SAF game and any international competition. Sau Phumak gold medal, Lai Phunreu silver, Lai Phuar bronze, Phumak for participation. National game and senior national championship. Individual Lai Phumak gold medal, Phumak silver, Phuar bronze medal. Team medal in individual sport. Phunreu gold, Phuar silver, Phra bronze. Nangta youth junior national championship. Individual medal, Phau Mak gold medal, Khanreu silver Mak Nakamtaki silver, Mak Nakamtaki bronze. Team medal in individual sport. Khanreu Mak Nakamtaki gold, Mak Nakamtaki silver, Mak Nakamtaki bronze. Nang takan download ke medical test kini kipus. Dikum na ban apply kini kipus ki kandidat ki bakwa ban apply kini kipus pihaban apply ke website jongka BSF https://rec.bsf.gov.in. Desakan mau ke last date kantai haduk ke live hotrek Desember Arhajar Arpsau. Ditang kini kicing pentip pakai bedai bat kini kembali subun.